This tutorial is about fixing a dropped stitch in stockinette. It's very handy to have a crochet hook for this. Sometimes you're knitting along, and as you move your stitches forward, a stitch might drop off the tip of your needle and run down a little bit. No problem, you just pinch that stitch so that it doesn't run any further, put your crochet hook through the loop, and then pick up the bars and bring them back through the loop. Super easy. Grab the bar, pull it through the loop, and then put that loop back on your needle with a little twist. You want it to go on so the leading leg is in the front. This would be backwards with the leading leg in the back. Most importantly, just get it on your needle. When you go to knit this row later, you can fix it if you've put it on backwards. And you're set. You can just continue knitting on down your row. You've fixed your dropped stitch. Here's an example where a stitch has run down quite a bit. No problem. You grab your crochet hook, put it through that loop, and pick up the bars along the way, working your way up the ladder. Make sure you pick up the bars in order. Sometimes they can get a little out of order, so spread them out. It helps to do this sitting on a table so that you can really see which bar to pick up. Pick up the bar, pull it through the loop, and put it back on your needle with a little twist. Now, when you go to knit that row where you just fixed a drop stitch, it's possible that you'll come across a stitch put on backwards, like this. Here, the leading leg is in the back instead of in the front. So we have a choice. We can flip it around, super easy, and knit it as normal, or we can leave it as is with the leading leg in the back and just knit through the back. Also super easy. And that's it. That's fixing a drop stitch in stockinette.